Hello guys. So today I'm heading to Penang from KL, and I'm halfway there. I'm currently leaving the, what do you call that, the Sungai Perak R&R, and since we have entered October, and it's also the beginning of the monsoon season, so every afternoon we'll have heavy rain, and today is no exception. And see, I'm facing another issue, which is my wiper are skipping. So I hope that next week I'll have time to go for Taraf windscreen cleaning, polishing, waxing, coating and everything. So hopefully after that I'll have a smooth wiping operations for the wiper, because I just changed the wiper I think 3 months ago, and yeah, heavy rain, so I just have to be very careful. And also I hope you can hear me loud and clear. The purpose of me going back to Penang this time is of course to see my parents, and also to attend one of my secondary school friends wedding reception. So yeah, I'm going back today, Friday, and tomorrow we will convoy together for his wedding. So yeah, tomorrow I assume it's gonna be fun, because we'll have the opportunity to meet up with some old friends, which I haven't met them for years. So yeah, I guess that's it, and I'll try to show you guys some of the Penang sceneries if possible. Alright guys, so now I'm in the mainland of Penang, and I'm taking ferry to the island this time, instead of taking Penang Bridge. And this is the first time for my car to take the ferry. Berapa ya? Masih. So yeah, it's not very often that I take ferry to go home, but this will be, yeah, this, unless I have time. So yeah, now we have to queue here, wait for the next ferry to arrive. Suppose this is fun, better scenery and more relaxing. So we are currently boarding the ferry now. Yeah, we are taking the upper level. Normally the cars will occupy the lower deck, but this time yeah, we get to board the upper deck. Alright. Alright. Park the car, switch off the engine, and let's go down and take a stroll. Still waiting for other cars to fill up the ferry, I guess. Welcome home. Penang Island is just across the sea. So there's a snack kiosk over there, and I think I'm gonna use the toilet. I think it's going to be 10-15 minutes ride. The sea breeze just feels so good, and yeah, it's good to be back. We have reached the jetty, and we are waiting for the passengers to go off first, and then the vehicles can leave the ferry. Okay, here we go. Welcome to Penang Island. Okay, I'm gonna go back and rest, and I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.